What up? So it's a nice rainy day out today, and I kind of wanted to do like a pure driving video. So I have one camera here, and then I have one on my head, of course. And I want to just show you guys, like, I'm about to do my kind of daily drive to the shop. So I'll do like 20 minutes of this. I'm not going to say anything. It's just going to be pure driving, pure POV. I'm going to start the car now. It's cold start and everything. Where I'm going right now is 37 minutes away, 10 miles, not that far. This is what I mean by like a K-truck and K-van is cool, because I'm not really driving far, it just takes long. So a lot of times when I'm saying that like these aren't the best for those type of trips, I really just mean like long. Like 10 miles isn't long. It's gonna take me a long time to get there, but it isn't a long drive. You guys know what I mean. Let me put this camera on so you guys can see exactly how fast I'm going, and you could kind of hear to know what gear I'm in and stuff. But unlike the K-truck, you don't really have to like be in second gear to start off. Like you could actually really start comfortably in first. So first, second. Alright, so I'm gonna put the lights on so you guys can see how fast I'm going and everything. Like, don't lie, for a little 660cc engine, like this thing has a nice sound to it. All right, we're gonna merge right here. Typical New York traffic. Start off in second. So right now I'm in fifth gear, going 60 kilometers an hour, as you guys can see. And like, this is kind of what I meant by like, look at my RPMs. Right now I'm in 3,000. I'm gonna go down to fourth now, right? And I'm only at 3,500. Like, I wish I could go faster. I guess when the traffic kind of dies down, like from fourth to fifth, I get it. Fifth is a highway gear, but it doesn't really make that big of a difference. It does, but I just thought it was gonna be bigger. Like, I thought that at this RPM, like right now I'm going 70 kilometers, as you guys see, right? I'm at 5,000. I'm gonna switch and go to fifth now. I'm at 4,500. It's not like you know, like second to third where you're at 6,000, you're at 3,000. Like, it's like a big difference. Like, it's not that huge of a difference. You definitely hear the engine like straining less now that I'm at fifth, but like, I don't know, I just really thought that like driving that 4-speed 4-gear, I thought it would be like a huge, not even huge, just at least a noticeable difference. Like if I'm going 100 in fourth gear, 100 kilometers, and I'm going 105th, it's a difference, but it's not like a wow. Like, the gear just needs to be longer is what I'm really trying to get at. But I'm gonna try not to talk and just drive, just vibe out right now in this traffic. One thing I want to say though before I stop talking is that you see how the car, well, I don't know if you see, but can you hear that the car is vibrating a lot? I don't know what that is exactly, because it's idling at like you know, 900, 1,000, you know what I mean? But it just vibrates a lot. Like, I think that because it has such low kilometers, like it only has 46,000 original kilometers from 93, that just needs a whole tune-up. So like, if someone could comment in this video what I need to buy, I know I could probably order it from GNR, but I'm not sure if it's the same engine as the mini cabs, because I don't think they're 5 valve per cylinder, and the MMI or whatever it's called, these are fuel injected, you know what I mean? Like, I definitely need to look into that though, for sure, because I don't, you know, I'm trying to drive this thing to San Diego. I can't have my engine blow up on me. New York bumpy roads. Let's hear that sound right now. Alright, so I guess I could kind of demonstrate it now, right? So I'm in fourth gear right now. Going, what, 90? And right now, basically, I'm at 6,000 RPM. I should shift gears. Now I'm at 5. It's just like, what? I still kind of feel the engine struggling, and I'm going slower. But whatever, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. It also is a big difference that I have the 13s on. If I had the original 12s, it did make a big difference. Like, I was able to like kind of cruise at 100, but now with the heavier wheels, it kind of messes it up. But nothing I want to ask you guys about. I guess I should wait until the time happens, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. But what I want to say is that when I had my 12s on and I switched to these 13s right now, when I'm braking at like 50, 60 kilometers, that is, like, or even 70 kilometers, the steering wheel shakes a lot. Like, what do you guys think that is? Like, Todd thankfully helped out. He took the tires off. They looked properly balanced. The rotors didn't look warped or anything. So I don't really know what it is. I think I'm going to bring it back to the tire shop. Maybe they didn't balance them the right way. I don't know. But, like, it doesn't do it all the time. It only does it when I brake. So, like, if someone has bigger tires on their K-Van or Bravo specifically, can you guys let me know? I'm going to wait till... I can't do it right now. It's kind of... I got to go a little faster. But I want to take my hands... Like, you see how my steering wheel is, like, good? Like, look. I'm fine. I have no issues. Like, it's good right now. It's straight. But when I brake, it goes, like, wild. And it's not the end of the world, but, like, you know, I'm OCD about stuff like that. So I definitely want to get that fixed. If someone could let me know. And, yeah, I'll show you guys once I do this little roundabout. The traffic shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna put the AC on medium right now. I'll put it on low, actually. I put the AC on low so you guys can kind of see, like, the compressor, the idle a little better. But it's pretty high right now. And it's good to, like, right now I would probably have the windows down, but I want you guys to hear me perfectly. So I'll put the AC on low. And, like, I just gotta do this. And then there's a button right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but a little snowflake button. And that's what gives me the AC. And on a day like this where it's like, you know, 75 outside, the AC is like ice cold. But yesterday it was like 95 and it was like okay, but like with two people in the car, it wasn't the best. Like with just one and like all three of these vents facing me, perfect. Well, not perfect, but tolerable. But a day like this, when it's not like 90 and above, like the AC is perfect. I think in this straight up here, I'll be able to like push it to at least 80 kilometers. And then that way I can show you what I'm talking about. I really don't know what it is. Like, I really don't know. Like, it was from one day to the other. So it can't even be that like my pads and rotors went bad from literally not even one day to another, from a tire change to another. But let me show you guys right now. I'm in fourth. Let me just go a little faster. My foot's all the way down right now. Like, no exaggeration, my foot is all the way down. I'm just going uphill. Like, all the way down in fifth gear right now. And I'm not going any faster. Oh, man. But, alright, I'm going to show you guys. Focus on the steering wheel right now. I have to brake in a few. I'm gonna try to keep going a little faster. And it just like, I don't know, it just starts shaking. It starts shaking a lot, like if like something isn't balanced. You know what I mean? So even downhill, even better right now. I could go to like look at my steering wheel. Well, it's a bumpy road, but let me see. I'm gonna go even faster. You know what? Let's see if I can make it more dramatic. Like, look, steering wheel is straight. Like, you could, look. That's a lot. That's a lot right there. So, like, what do you think it could be? It was literally from putting the stock 12s to the 13s I have right now, and they're not rubbing, even though I don't really see how that would make a difference when I'm braking. I'm starting to think that maybe, like, could I don't even know, like, maybe when the car is braking like this, it's rubbing on like the, I don't even know. I really have no idea what it could be. Like, I generally want it to be like something simple as that. Like, I have the little spacers, they're like this big, but I don't know if that's actually gonna make a big enough difference. But we'll see, we'll see. I really haven't looked into it because like it only happens when I'm going, wow. It only happens when I'm going that fast and braking, and like when I'm braking, I don't obviously brake that aggressively. But if someone could let me know what it is in the comments, it'd be very great appreciated. If you even made this far in this video, thank you. Actually, if you made this far in this video, I want to let you guys know right now that I'm thinking of doing a K-Truck giveaway when I get to, not a giveaway, but a raffle when I get to 1,000 subscribers. Me and Amir have been talking about it for a couple weeks already. So we're thinking of like maybe getting a truck, doing like 100 slots for $100. That way, or maybe even less, but that way you kind of get a better idea. Like, I think a lot of people do those low amount slots, and to be honest, I think they're all lies. Like, there's some guy, I don't even want to talk too much about it, but there's someone who does like a lot of those things, and to me it's like, one, it's probably not legit, but two, it's like, if you're not putting how many slots are available, to me it's pretty scammery. Because like if I did a raffle with 100 slots for $100, right, that's $10,000. And regardless if the vehicle is worth $10,000 or not, right, I technically can just say that my friends bought 30 slots and they gave me $0 for it, and then I still get $7,000 to pay for said vehicle. And now I know that my friends have a 30% chance of winning, or even higher, you know what I mean? If I really wanted to do 50% of my friends bought a ticket, and I could just put fake names, or I could do stuff like that. And then when it comes to giving the car away, like, I don't think a lot of these people show the winner, you know what I mean? Like, driving to, I don't know, Virginia to give the guy the winner, you know what I mean, the car. It's just like, okay, Todd Smith won. And I don't like stuff like that. Like, I like to do fair things. So if I do a raffle, it's gonna 100% be a legit. And I want it to be a way where, not that I say I don't want everyone to be involved with it. I feel like $25 raffles make things weird, because that means there's like, I don't know, 5,000 raffle tickets or something like that. And it's like, I personally, I don't even think it's about a money thing. I personally would rather do a raffle that has 100 slots for $100, because at least I can do in my head, like, okay, I have a 1% chance of winning. But if it's $25 and there's, you know, 400 things, it's like you have a 0.25 chance of winning. Like, that doesn't make me feel good. I know it's only $25, but it's a whole vehicle. So, and I get like people can buy 4 tickets, and I don't know if that makes you feel better. Let me know in the comments for that too. Like, would you rather a raffle for 10 slots, 100 slots, $100, that way you know if you buy 5 slots you got a 5% chance of winning, or 400 slots at $25 each? Like, to me that just sounds weird. But again, done talking. I think, how much time I have left? I think I have like 5 minutes left on this camera before it dies. So like I said though, this is kind of my drive. This is what I do. Right now this is all gonna be traffic. This is the cockpit of the Bravo. Pretty cool, power windows everywhere. This one is auto too, which is a nice little flex. Someone commented like for a speaker check. I know this is really deep in the video, so I know a lot of people aren't gonna make it this far, but I'll do a speaker check right now for you. This is volume on 30 out of 40, I think, or 50. This for all the folks that be sleeping on me. I've been going crazy in the booth. I need a therapist. Like, there's no bass. With me, don't play with me. Go play with your kids. I ain't never worried. Like, there's no bass, but it still sounds good. I could even go louder. Thinking about it, they come test me. I'll give you a grade. Added to these meals and these deals with these beats I made. I was orchestrating all these plays like a quarterback. Now I'm orchestrating all these hits. I need a Grammy. Came a long way, yeah. I was serving out the Camry. Way before the fame, yeah, we was heading to Miami. Way before the rapping, I was really out here thugging. I was in the trap.